Hello, this is urgent. One of my clients, an Rccg parish, had a major disaster 3 weeks ago. And guess what? We are still trying to get them back online with major damages already done. This is a brief story. We designed their website some years back and directed them to a superb web host, the same one we use for our websites. Well, you all know I've been singing and shouting about website owners updating the software used to create their website. The owners of this software we use to create these websites, like WordPress, they send out updates immediately they notice that hackers have found a loophole and are exploiting it to hack websites. So they advise that we that use their software update immediately as well. Well, I advise this redeemed pastor to ensure that their website is updated regularly by subscribing to our monthly maintenance offer. I even went ahead and offered a lower price than advertised because he's a man I respect and he calls me his son. Well, for one reason or the other, the parish wouldn't take the offer. Then the worst happened. 3 weeks ago, they couldn't access their website, neither could I, and it was down. So for the past 3 weeks, when you go to their website, this is what you see. Imagine prospective parishioners, people looking for a church to go to. They visit your website and all they see is a notice that your website is dangerous and deceptive and is used to steal people's details. Now, just imagine that happens to you. That's your identity to the whole world, and that's what it says. For weeks, we've been trying to get their website back up. We finally succeeded, but we now have to do our best to convince Google. Google had blacklisted their website. So we need now to convince Google that they were indeed hacked and they are a legitimate business, actually a church for that matter. Brethren, don't wait for this to happen to you. Please don't wait for this to happen to you because it could be worse than what we have here. We were only able to quickly assist. We're talking about 3 weeks of work already. Only because this pastor was a client and a personal friend. And I had a recent backup of their website. Even though they didn't have a maintenance agreement, I just, did the backup, quite about 2 months ago. But please look, we're not asking you to use the services of Divine and Branches to update your website. What I'm asking you to do is just find a way to update it before disaster strikes. If you need free advice on this matter, you can call me. My name is Gideon. Or email me at info@divineandbranches.com or call me at +1 438 401 8219.